How to know if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. So if you want to know that someone has blocked you on WhatsApp or not, then what you can do is first open up your WhatsApp application. And once you open your WhatsApp, now you can simply take a person's chat. So for example, I'll be choosing this person. And if you would like to know that if this person has blocked you or not, then what you can do is you need to simply go for their profile, and under their profile, if they don't have anything, like if they have this kind of interface, then that means the other person may have blocked you. Or it also means that they have not uploaded any profile picture. But if it's for like more than 24 hours or more than a week, then it means that that person has blocked you. And the second way is you can simply chat with that person or send some messages. So if you send a message and if it is not being delivered, so here you can see that you will have two ticks, right? So if you have only one tick, and if the message has not been delivered to that person for 2 to 3 days, then that means that person have blocked you. And the third way is to simply create a group. So for example, if you create a group, and once you've created the group, you need to include that person in the group or add that person to the group. And once you've added, if you can't find that person on the group list, then that person might have blocked you. These were the three ways to know if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.